Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can add a bank account on your Bitget app. Let's get started. So first things first, this is a simple process. First, you will need to log into your Bitget app and go to the P2P management. You can do this by simply clicking on the three dots on the top right next to the notification icons, and then go ahead and choose payment method. Next, once you've done that, click on Add Payment Method. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click your flat currency and your payment method, which in this case will be bank transfer. Once you've done that, go ahead and simply fill in all of your bank information, and then go ahead, once you enter all of that stuff, go ahead and save and use, and now you have a new payment method. Now, this will be available for whenever you wish to use it, whenever you wish to transfer or withdraw money. This will always be there as it gets saved. And if you wish to delete your existing payment method, go ahead, simply click on delete. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.